Can you imagine a world without computers today? We see computers in all walks of life. At home, shops, ticket counters, the list is endless. Thousands of years ago, we had simple calculation device called abacus. But today we have very sophisticated computers with artificial intelligence. Knowing about this evolution from abacus to present-day computers will help us understand the computer technology of present and future. Abacus is the earliest known calculation device, used almost over 3,000 years ago. It is used for simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In the year 1642, Blaise Pascal invented the first mechanical calculator that could add and subtract by rotating dials. In the year 1690, Gottfried Leibniz invented a machine called stepped reckoner that could add, subtract, multiply, divide, and calculate square root. In the year 1833, Charles Babbage designed the analytical engine. As the modern-day computers are based on this technology of analytic engine, Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. Now let us understand the three important terms associated with computer: software, hardware, and firmware. Software refers to an organized collection of programs and data and program-related documentation. Hardware refers to physical parts of a computer such as keyboard, mouse, and CPU. Firmware refers to the software in devices like washing machine, dishwasher, etc. to control them. Now let us understand the different generations of computers based on hardware. The first generation of computers used vacuum tubes. It started with Electrical Numerical Integrator and Calculator, or ENIAC, in the year 1946. Later, in the year 1951, Mauchly and Eckert invented Universal Automatic Computer, which was used for business data processing. These computers were not popular as they were large and consumed high energy. The vacuum tubes used in these computers had a short lifespan. Second-generation computers started in the year 1955. These computers used transistors. These computers were smaller, consumed less energy, and were faster than the first-generation computers. The third-generation computers were introduced in the year 1965. These were also known as mini-computers. They used integrated circuits and were smaller, faster, and suitable for commercial applications. Fourth-generation computers were introduced in the year 1980. The IBM Personal Computer and the Cray series of supercomputer are examples of fourth-generation computers. These computers used very large-scale integrated circuits, or VLSI. These computers were faster, smaller, and were used for complex applications like weather forecasting and stock analysis. The fifth-generation computers, introduced in the year 1989, is continuously being developed till date. These computers have high level of processing speed, improved network connectivity, portability, and variety of storage mechanisms. Artificial intelligence is one of the key characteristics of fifth-generation computers. Some examples of fifth-generation computers are IBM notebooks, Pentium PCs, and the Indian series of supercomputer called Param. First-generation programming language is a machine-level language, also known as low-level language or binary language. It is based on the symbols 0 and 1. Computers understand this language directly, without translators. Second-generation language is assembly language, which use special symbols known as mnemonic codes. Before computers can use this language, it has to be translated into machine language by translator program called assembler. Third-generation languages are high-level procedural languages designed as a subset of English language. Translators, such as compiler and interpreter, are required to translate this language into machine language. Some examples of third-generation languages are C, COBOL, and Java. Fourth-generation programming languages are more sophisticated, high-level languages that allow programmers to specify what to do without having to specify how to do it. An example of fourth-generation languages is Structured Query Language or SQL. Fifth-generation computers are being developed such that programmers only specify the goal, and the program generates its own language to accomplish that goal without any programming effort. There are many advantages of using computers. Let us discuss a few of them. Once data and instructions are stored into a computer, it can automatically perform a given task with highest accuracy. Computers can store large amount of data for long time. They can perform mechanical and repetitive tasks in consistent manner without complaints of boredom or disinterest. Match the generation of programming languages with their corresponding features. Click the correct option and then click the box in column B. Once you are done, click Submit to confirm your answers. Match the generation of computers with their corresponding features. Click the correct option and then click the box in column B. Once you are done, click Submit to confirm your answers. Let us summarize what you have learnt in this video.